Alright, so what I have here in the mail, I just got my new MVS cartridge for my Neo Geo MVS. This is a hack. This is a 161 in one game cartridge. I've been really excited to play this because it essentially saves me a lot of money. I don't have to buy multiple games like Metal Slug and King of Fighters. And I can just get this. Yeah, there's all the games. Has all the hacked plus versions. King of Fighters. All those games. Ooh. This little Terry action. Here's the board. Here's the game. Warranty, protector, whatever. There we go. Ooh, it's pretty hefty. Heavier than my other MVS cartridges. It's a nice yellow too. Alright, can't wait to put this in. How about you, Kat? You ready to play some Neo Geo? Yeah, you're excited, aren't you? Yeah, you are. I love you.